Hey guys, today we are going to see about discovery behavior. So Cloud Dimensions has several Unix and Windows devices with a known IPs. So they want to set up a behavior to target the port scan phase with appropriate protocol. So if we do this discovery behavior, we can able to do the port scan as soon as possible. If we have to discover Linux server, if we want to discover only for SNMP protocol, any other Windows protocol, any other devices, if we want to discover, the scanning phase will complete as soon as possible for the specific device. So that we are just using for this discovery behavior. So let's get started for creating a discovery behavior. I'm just going into behavior. Under discovery definition, I go to the behavior. Let me create a new discovery behavior here. So now I just want to scan only for the Windows uh, only port scan. So just I am going to name this as Windows only behavior. So here we are getting the options of discovery functionality. Um, so in the discovery functionality we have to create a new record under the Windows only behavior. So let me click new. So the phase is one for Windows discovery. Functionality definition is a WMI only behavior because we are only scanning the Windows device specifically. So I just put WMI only. The mid server is Windows mid server. We are already using this one. So now I am going to save this. Then I am going to create a schedule using the Windows only behavior. So I just go to the discovery schedule. Need to click new. Here we need to provide WMI only discovery. This is how we need to do the configuration items only. So the specific mid server is Windows mid server. We need to save this discovery schedule. Now I'm going to create a behavior based discovery schedule. Let me create one. WMI only discovery. So I will just select the mid server. So this is the normal configuration we usually do. But if we do the behavior based discovery, we should need to select this one. Use behavior. So which behavior? We have created only one behavior. So this one, Windows only behavior. So if we save this, uh, here we can give the quick ranges. This is our Windows device with Windows device IP address. Let me select the make ranges. So now I am going to do the quick discovery for this schedule. So you need to watch out in here. This is a Shazam scanning phase. In this scanning phase, every time the names are showing WMI, SSH, SNTP like that only, the names are getting populated. I will just show you and compare with the other device status. So this is our current schedule, WMA only discovery. Uh, this is Windows Server Discovery, old one. It's you can see all the devices getting scanned. So this is not a good thing if you are trying to scan a particular device. Like if I want to scan only Windows device or if I want to scan only Linux device, I can use the behavior so that the scanning time will be less if I use the WMA only discovery. So if I refresh this one, WMA only discovery, it's completed. The scanning phase is taking less time. So that's how we are using this behavior, discovery behavior. So that's all today's video. Tomorrow we are doing some Linux discovery behavior. Thank you for watching my video.